नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ASW गुरुजीमध्ये आपले स्वागत। आज आपण 5वा वर्ग शिष्यवृत्ती परीक्षा मे 2021 मध्ये झालेली जी परीक्षा होती त्याचे विश्लेषण आपण पाहणार आहोत आणि माध्यम आहे इंग्लिश, फर्स्ट लँग्वेज आणि मॅथमॅटिक्स सेट ए चे विश्लेषण आपण या व्हिडिओच्या माध्यमातून पाहत आहोत। व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत पहा आणि व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास लाईक आणि शेअर करा आणि माझ्या चॅनलवर तुम्ही नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला सुद्धा सबस्क्राइब करा। फर्स्ट पार्ट आहे इंग्लिश। इंस्ट्रक्शन फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 2 3 रीड द ऑटोबायोग्राफी अँड आन्सर द क्वेश्चन सिलेक्टिंग द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। आता हे एक पॅराग्राफ दिलेला आहे आणि या पॅराग्राफच्या आधारे आपल्याला प्रश्नाची उत्तरे द्यायची आहे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन होता कंप्लीट चूजिंग द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। द लाइन्स अबव आर फ्रॉम एन ऑटोबायोग्राफी ऑफ। आता ही ऑटोबायोग्राफी कशा संबंधी आहे तर ही ऑटोबायोग्राफी ही कशा संदर्भात आहे मित्रांनो, रिव्हर संदर्भात आहे। जर तुम्ही हे पॅराग्राफ जर वाचला तर त्या संदर्भातली फक्त रिव्हर संदर्भातली ऑटोबायोग्राफी आहे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच ऑफ द सेंटेन्स बिलो कॅन नॉट बी ॲडेड टू दिस ऑटोबायोग्राफी। तर याचं करेक्ट ऑप्शन येईल उत्तर आय फ्लाय इन द स्काय अबाउट द अर्थ। ऑप्शन नंबर थर्ड आन्सर। Now next question, whom does the river give company to? Option पहा book, boat, boatman and sky. Correct option is boatman. Next fourth question, identify the correct cardinal number for 33. Right option is option number 1. Next question, fifth number, choose the correct suffix for manage. Correct suffix for manage, management. Manage, management. Next question, find word opposite in meaning to the word given. Bless, opposite curse. Option number first answer. Next question 7. Choose the pair which does not indicate related word. Cricket bat, archery bow, hockey bells, badminton racket. तर याचं करेक्ट ऑप्शन म्हणजे नॉट इंडिकेट म्हणते। तर क्रिकेट बॅट ओके, बैडमिंटन रैकेट ओके, आर्चरी बो ओके, बट हॉकी बेल्स इट इज अ रॉन्ग आंसर। ऑप्शन नंबर थर्ड। नाउ 8 नंबर, पिक आउट द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव फ्रॉम द गिवन अल्टरनेटिव इन द प्लेस ऑफ क्वेश्चन मार्क। होमवर्क, असाइनमेंट, एक्टिविटीज, स्टडी, देन क्वेश्चन मार्क, office work, meeting with manager, editorial and examination. Homework, assignment, activities. Option number 4 right, examination. Now 9th number, fill in the blanks with suitable collective nouns. He went into the field and saw of cattle, herd of cattle. Next question 10 number, which road sign does not match description? Public telephone right, first aid post right, petrol pump sign right, but railway crossing is not matching this description. Now instruction for question 11 to 13. Paragraph, read carefully and select the answer. पॅरेग्राफवरून आपल्याला काय करायचे, याचे आन्सर द्यायचे आहेत. द ताजमहल वॉज बिल्ड बाय मुमताज महल, अकबर, अशोका, शहाजहान. तर ताजमहल वॉज बिल्ड बाय शहाजहान. Look at this sentence. Shahjahan, the grandson of Akbar, built Taj. Means Taj Mahal was built by Shahjahan. Next, 12 number. The Taj Mahal stand on hexagonal platform, quadrilateral platform, triangular platform, none of above. Look at this sentence. Large quadrilateral platform. Means option number 2 is right. Now 13 number question. Shahjahan was king of Afghanistan, grandson of Akbar. Grandson of Akbar. Shahjahan was grandson of Akbar. 14. Find the number of pronouns in the following sentence. Pronouns following sentence मध्ये सर्च करायचे. If I don't bring them, they will kill me. Now pronoun, how many pronouns in sentence? 4 pronouns. Next question, insert the appropriate preposition. They are monsters, beasts, bodies like bears and heads like tigers. आता इथे प्रोनाउन्स काय येईल, तर विथ येईल, विथ बॉडीज, म्हणजे करेक्ट ऑप्शन 2. नाउ 16. आयडेंटिफाय द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फॉर द वर्ड गिवन इन द ब्रॅकेट्स टू फिल द ब्लँक्स. रोज इज वन ऑफ द, रोज इज वन ऑफ आलंय. वन ऑफ मीन्स इथे मोस्ट ब्युटिफुल, जेव्हा वन ऑफ येते मोस्ट ब्युटिफुल. 17. What punctuation mark will you put at the end of sentence below? They shot arrow on the soldier of Athens, didn't they? Now, didn't they? Question mark. Option number 3 is right. 18 number. Which one is not compound word? Choose from the option. Is not compound word. Means spoon is not compound word. Next question, instruction for question number 19 to 20. Read the letter and answer the question below selecting from the alternative. पॅरेग्राफ दिलेला आहे, लेटर दिलेला आहे. या लेटर मध्ये जे काही बाबी दिले त्याच्यावरचे आन्सर आपल्याला द्यायचे आहे. 19 क्वेश्चन. व्हॉट शुड बी देअर बिलो सेंडर ॲड्रेस. व्हॉट शुड बी देअर बिलो सेंडर ॲड्रेस. आता इथे नेम ऑफ सिटी, टेलिफोन नंबर, डेट अँड सबस्क्रिप्शन. तर डेट जी आहे ती महत्वाची होती. ऑप्शन नंबर 3 आन्सर. Now, what must be written in blank space above XYZ? XYZ. What with must written blank space above XYZ? Your obediently, your truly, truly yours, yours lovingly. Now, 4th number option is right. Your lovingly. Instruction for question 21 and 22. Read the poem well and answer the question choosing the correct option. Carefully read the poem and answer the following question. Who is the speaker in poem? Mother is speaker in the poem. 22 number question. What time being described in the poem? Noon, afternoon, night, day. Night time is being described in the poem. Next question. How many articles are there in the given sentence? The tiger is a wild animal. The and A. is article. So option number 4 is right. Not 2. 2 article, but 2 article, option number 4. Next question 24. Find the correct WH question to get underlined part answer. Mary went to America. Where did Mary go? How did Mary go? Who went to America? When did Mary go? Right answer. Where did Mary go? Where did Mary go? Next question. Study the diagram and answer the question choosing from the option. What is the percent of children who like swimming? What is the percent of children who like swimming? Swimming like 10%. Option number 3 is right. Now we will see section number 2 mathematics. First section, first language English. First section. And second section mathematics. 26 question paha. How will you write 500 in Roman numerals? L means 50, C means 100, M means 1000 and D means 500. In this question, how we will write 500 in Roman numerals? Option number 3 is right. Question number 27. What is the place value of 4? What is the place value of 4? 1, 1, 0, 0. 3 ची place value 0.3. 4 ची place value 0.04. And 5 ची place value 0.005. Now, what is the place value of 4? Place value of 4 0.04. Option number 4 is right. 28 number question. If bracket 2575 minus box 836 equal to 28,739, then which digit will be in the box? आता यामध्ये कोणता नंबर टाकल्यावर 28,739 येईल? सपोज आपण 2 जर टाकला तर 22,000 होत आहे आणि 22,000 मधून इथून 2,000 गेले तरी जवळपास 20,000 राहतात. इथे जर 3 टाकला तर 32,000 आणि इथे 33,800 मीन्स पहा 32,000 मधून 4,000 गेले जवळपास अप्रॉक्सिमेटली तर 28 येते. बट इथे 5 जर पुट केला तर 52 मधून जवळपास 600 मिनिमम गेले तर किती होईल? 46,000 च्या जवळपास. पण आपल्याला राईट ऑप्शन कोणता पाहिजे? 28,000. म्हणजेच करेक्ट ऑप्शन कोणता येईल? 3 म्हणजेच ऑप्शन नंबर 2. 29 क्वेश्चन देखो. इफ द लेंथ ऑफ द साइड ऑफ एन एंगल आर इंक्रीज देन हाउ डज इट अफेक्ट द मेजर ऑफ एंगल? Measure of angle increase. It is not correct answer. Measure of angle decrease. It is not correct. Measure of angle remain the same. Option number 3 is right. Next question 30 number. 5 integer 3/7 plus 6 integer 4/7. Now 5 and 6 11. 3/7 plus 4/7 means 11. 7 7 common. 7 by 3 and 4 7 means 11 plus 1 means 12. Right answer, option number 3 is right. Addition of 3 by 7, addition of 3 by 7 and 4 by 7 equal to 7 by 7 means 1 by 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7 means 1. 11 plus 1, 12. Next question 31. Write the number in figure. 8 abja 80,808. 8 abja means 8 abja lakh not contain, crore not contain. 80,808 means right option 4. Next question 32. Length of the radius of circle 3.5. Length of the radius 3.5. This is circle and radius equal to 2.5. Radius of circle 2.5. Chord of the circle is 3 semi. What is the length of longest chord of circle? Longest chord of the circle is diameter and chord is 2.5. 2.5. Then largest chord of circle diameter. Diameter means twice of radius. Twice of radius. Radius equal to 2.5. Then diameter equal to 5 centimeter. Next question. How many composite number lie between 1 to 100? Now look at prime number 1 to 100. How many prime number? 25. And composite number equal to 74. 99, 25 and 74. 99. And 1 is not a composite number or nor a prime number. Means composite number 74, prime number 25. Okay. Now 34 question. What type of angle will form if two lines are perpendicular to each other? Now two lines are perpendicular to each other. One line and second line is perpendicular to each other. Then which angle is formed? Right angle is formed. Option number 2 is right. 35 question. If the number 32,996, 39,296, 2,29,997, 39,096 are written in decreasing order, then what will be the sum of first and third number of arrangement? Now first number is this 2,29,000 and third number is this way. Condition is decreasing order. First number, third number. First number and third number addition करायचे. 9 and 6 13, 9 and 9 18 आणि 1 19 carry 1, 9 and 0 आणि carry म्हणजे 10 means 0. 100 प्लेस वर 0 कुठे आहेत फक्त इथे, म्हणजेच ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट आन्सर येईल. टोटल ॲडिशन करायची नाही. पहा 9 7 13, 9 and 9 18 आणि कॅरी 1 19 कॅरी 1, 9 and 0 9 प्लस 1 कॅरिंग म्हणजे 10. आता 10 100 प्लेस वर 0 कुठे आहेत फक्त, ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 36. If the circumference of circle shaped garden is 88 meter, Sora take 5 round to the garden daily, then how much distance does she cover in a week? Now listen carefully. Circumference of circle 88. Circumference of circle 88. सर्कलचं सर्कम्फरन्स 88 आहे. 88 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय 5 राऊंड मारते म्हणजेच किती 440. ओके 440 मीटर. नाव देन हाऊ मच डिस्टन्स डज ही सी कव्हर इन अ वीक मीन्स मल्टिप्लाइड बाय 7 वीक म्हणते. वीक मीन्स 7 डे. नाव मल्टिप्लिकेशन 3080 मीन्स इथे किमी विचारायचा इथे काय आहे मीटर. 3080 मीटर मीन्स डिवाइड बाय 1000 मीन्स 3.08. 3.08. ऑप्शन नंबर 3 इज राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 37. बाय हाउ मच is the sum of biggest 5-digit number and biggest 2-digit number greater than smallest 3-digit number? Means 5-digit biggest number 99999 and biggest 2-digit number 99. Addition 99 18 19 0 0 and 10. Now smallest 3-digit number, smallest 3-digit number 100. Then minus किती येईल मग 98 मीन्स राइट आंसर कोणता 99,998. ओके 39 क्वेश्चन. प्रदीप bought a mobile 22,500 means 22,500 and sold same for 19,800. 19,870 sorry इथे 70. Then how much was he losses? How much is losses? Option number 3 is right. Because of 100 इथे सपोज घेतले अज्युम केले आपण तर 70 गेले तर रिमेनिंग किती राहिले 30 मीन्स ऑप्शन नंबर किती 3 is right. Now 39 question. 4/3 plus 4/3 plus 4/3 plus 4/3 plus 4/3 plus 4/3. Now base is same. Adding 1 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 6 are 24 means 24 divided by 3 3 1s are 3 3 8s are 24 means right answer 8. Next question. Swarada deposit 25,000 in a bank at the rate of 8 PCPA for 6 years. How much interest will receive after 6 years? Means how much interest will receive 6 years? P into N upon R upon 100. Principal, how many principal? 25,000. N equal to 6 year. R equal to 8 upon 100. 0 0 is cancelled. 250 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 8. 250 multiplied by 8 means 2000. 250 multiplied by 8 2000 and 2000 multiplied by 6 means 12,000. Option number 1 is right. Now 41. If the fraction 7 by 9, 5 by 9, 2 by 9, 8 by 9 are in the ascending order, then what will be the sum of first and third fraction of arrangement? Ascending order and descending order. You know, first number 2 by 9 and third हे लोवेस्ट. थर्ड कोणता येईल मित्रांनो 7 by 9. 7 by 9. फर्स्ट हे येईल सेकंड थर्ड and fourth. Now condition sum of first and third fraction. Sum of first 2 by 9 and 7 by 9. 2 and 7, 9. 9 ones are 9, means 1. Right answer first. Now 42 number question. While writing number 70 lakh 7 in figure, Ishwari wrote 10 less between 2 7. Then how much is a number that Ishwari wrote is more or less than given number? Read this question properly. 17 lakh 7. 17 lakh 7. 17 lakh 7. But Ishwari wrote 10 less between. Ishwari wrote 10. Count 0, 50. Now he wrote 40. Okay. Then how much number that Ishwari wrote more or less than given number? Now minus 17 lakh 7 minus 7 lakh 7 equal to 63 lakh. Of less by 63 lakh, not more. More by 63 lakh, not. Less by 63 lakh. 43. Which is the biggest fraction among the following? 8 by 10 means 0 by 8. 8 by 100, 0 by 08. 8 by 1000, 0 by 008. And 8 by 1000, 0.0008. Means biggest fraction first. 44. xy yz plus xz zy yy. आता इथे which digit will be there x, y and z respectively. Means y च्या ठिकाणी काय असायला पाहिजे, x च्या ठिकाणी काय असायला पाहिजे आणि y z च्या ठिकाणी काय असायला पाहिजे. तर आपण हे समजून घ्या मित्रांनो, इथे कंडिशन आहे yच पाहिजे खाली सगळे. तर हे गणित सोडवायचं कसं बघा. पुट द व्हॅल्यू 480 x4 8 yz y ची व्हॅल्यू टाका. y ची व्हॅल्यू 8 टाका इथे. z ची व्हॅल्यू 0, y ची व्हॅल्यू 8 0, z ची व्हॅल्यू 0 आणि y ची व्हॅल्यू 8. नाउ एडिशन 8 8 8 8. नाउ पुट y. ठीक आहे. x ची व्हॅल्यू काय राहील 4 राहील आणि z ची व्हॅल्यू 0. ऑप्शन नंबर 4. Now next question 45. In a transaction, the cost price rupees 3280 and selling price 3470. Find whether the transaction profit or loss. Now cost price, selling price is bigger than cost price. Then profit must. Then two option is cut. Then 3470 minus 3280 means 190. Profit rupees 190 rupees. Next question 46. Which of the following diagram represent fraction 12 by 16? Means 12 ones are 12 and 12 fives are. Means पार्ट पाहायचे. 5 पार्ट पैकी 1 शेडेड. 5 पार्ट पैकी 1 शेडेड means right option 2. Next question 47. Find the alternative which does not fall in the group. First option solution 7 divided by 7 means 1. Means 7 into 1 into 5 equal to 35. 12 plus 10 22 minus 8 equal to 14. It also right. Then 5 3 जा 15 plus 8 2 जा 4 2 जा 8 means 23. It's wrong. So find the alternative does not fall means option number 3rd. Roshni started her study half past 11 in the morning and finished quarter 2. For how much time did she study? Quarter 2 means 1:45. Then how much time he did study? Now complete 11:30 plus 30 minutes equal to 12. 12 plus 1 hour 45 minutes means 1 hour 45 minutes plus 30 minutes equal to how many minutes? 2 hour 15 minutes. Option number 3rd answer. 49. What is the difference between biggest 3 even number and biggest 2-digit prime number? Biggest 3-digit even number means 998. Biggest 3-digit even number. Condition is even number. And biggest 2-digit prime number. Biggest 2-digit prime number 97. And difference between now 109. 901. Option number 2nd answer. Next question 50. One of the Jilla Parishad school have 60% girl out of 120. 60%. 0 cancel. 12 6 जा 72. 72 student 72 girls in Jilla Parishad. And private secondary school same village has 55 girls out of 200. Out of 200 means 55% means 110 girls in private school and Jilla Parishad school 72 girls. Now addition of 110 and 72 means 182. That's why option number 3rd is answer. Next question. What should be subtracted from 6 and 3/4 thousand? 6 and 3/4 thousand. 1/4 means 250. 3/4 means 750. To get biggest 2-digit number means what should be the subtracted from 6 and 3/4 thousand to get biggest 2-digit number means 7 6 6 5 1 minus 99. इथे मायनस जर केलं तर आन्सर काय येईल 99. 2-digit biggest number 99 or 6750 plus 99 equal to how many? 6651. That's why answer is minus. The answer is 6651. Next 52. Julie collected 10 rupees daily in her money bank from 12 May to 26 June. 12 May to 26 June means 12 May to 31 May. How many day? Total number 20 day. 12 May to 31 May 20 day. And 26 June 1 June to 26 June. How many day? 26 day. How many day total? 46 day. 12 May to 26 June. How many day? 46 day. And Julie collected 10 rupees per day. Means 460 rupees collected 12 May to 26 June. Then she added 100 rupees her uncle and 240 given by her father. Total number 0, 0 and 8. 800 rupees. She donated total amount Chief Minister Relief Fund. How much money she donated Chief Minister Relief Fund? 800 rupees. Next question 53. Jivan went bank with 2 notes of each. 2 notes of each. 50 rupees. 2 notes means 100 rupees. 2 notes of 100 rupees. 200 rupees price. 502 rupees note 1000. Total number 1300. And he asked for note rupees 20 rupees in return. How many notes rupees 20 will receive? Means 1300 divided by 20 means 65. Option number second answer. Next question 55. Solve 27 divided by 3 means 9. 6 multiplied by 5 means 30. 9 plus 30 equal to 39. Bodomas means 27 divided by 3 9. 6 multiplied by 5 30. 9 plus 30 39. Option number third answer. Dhanesh brought 1¼ meter cloth for pant. 1¼ meter pant and 1¾ meter cloth. 1¾ means 75. How much meter cloth did he buy? Addition 5 5 10 0 इथे 0 आणि 3 meter means option number first answer. Soham was born 15 June 211. 15 June 211 and which was Thursday. Thursday, ठीक है. Which was the day on 5th birthday? 5th birthday, 5th. Then 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015 and 2016. 5th birthday 2016. 5 year plus how many leap year in this period? 2012 and 2016. This 2 number 2 year leap year plus 2 then 7. Then which day, which was the day 5th birthday? The 7 means same days म्हणजेच Thursday. Option number second. 58 question. Find the percent of shaded portion in the following figure. Number of part of circle 8 part. 8 part divided into 8 part. Then 8 parts means complete 100%. 8 part means complete 100%. Means 2 part means 25%. Okay. Means answer is second. 59 question. Side of an equilateral triangle is 10 semi. This is equilateral triangle and side 10 semi. Means perimeter equal to equilateral triangle 30 semi. 10, 10, 10, 30 semi. Then a square of perimeter same as perimeter of equilateral triangle. Perimeter of square is equal to equilateral triangle. Means perimeter of square 30. Then what will be the side of square? What will be the side of square? Each side square which 30 divided by 4 means 7.5. 7.5 because perimeter is 30. Perimeter 30. Then side of square equal to 30 divided by 4 means 7.5. Option number third answer. Next question 60 to 61. Answer the following question with pictograph given below. Scale 1 boy equal to 25 student. Then football equal to 100 student. Cricket equal to 125. Basketball student 50. Kabaddi student 150. Kho student 75. Then question 60. How many times kabaddi player to basketball player? Basketball player and kabaddi player, how many times of kabaddi player to basketball player? 53 is 150 means 3 times. Okay. Now 61. By how much number of cricket player? How much number of cricket player and basketball player? Basketball player 50 means 175. Less than number of football player and kabaddi player. Football and kabaddi player. Football player 100 player and kabaddi player 150 means 250. How many less than? 75 means option number 1. Next question 62. How many times are number of edge cuboid to the number of surface of cuboid? Cuboid. How many number of edge of cuboid? Number of edge of cuboid 12 and number of surface cuboid, surface equal to 6 means how many times? 2 times means double. Option number 1. Next question. In Nana Patil farmhouse there are 30 sacks of grain, out of which 35 sacks wheat, 20 sack jowar, 50% sack tur dal and remaining are sack soybean. Find the number of soybean sack at the farmhouse. Number of sack 300. Number of sack 300. Then wheat 35%, 20% jowar and 15% tur dal. How many percent? 35, 20, 55, 55 per 15 is 70%. Okay. Now 300 per sack equal to 100%. Then 70% equal to how many sack? Cross multiplication. Then 90 sacks of soybean at farmhouse. Calculate it and answer we get 90. Next question. Find the length of wire required to fence 3 times of 2 sides of square shaped ground having area 144 square meter. So here it is, area of square 144 square meter. Then side equal to 12 centimeter. Sorry, 12 meter. Then 3 times of 2 side of square. 2 side of square. 12 multiplied by 3, 36 into 2 equal to 72. Means length of wire require 72 meters. Next question 65. In the month May, 2.25 lakh tourists visited Mahabaleshwar. 2.25 lakh means 2,25,000 and 3/4 lakh. 3/4 lakh means 75,000. Visited Ajanta Verud cave. How many more tourists visited Mahabaleshwar than Ajanta Verud cave? Means 1,50,000. Option number 4. Next question. 5 5 2 minutes equal to hours and minute. means 9 hour. 9 hour means 9 multiplied by 60, 540 plus 12 minute. 9 hour 12 minute. 9 hours means 540 plus 12 means 552 minutes. Means option number 3 is right. 67. 2400 papers means ream paper. One ream means 480 paper. Means 480 multiplied by 5 means option number 4. म्हणजे 5 ream paper equal to 2400 papers. Next question 68. Ramu purchased 45 liter milk with the rate of 35 per liter. Means 45 liter milk 35 च्या रेटनं परचेस केलं. म्हणजेच इथे 1675 रुपीजला ते परचेस केलं. आणि ही सोल्ड मिल्क विथ प्रॉफिट 350 प्रॉफिट घेऊन ते काय केलं, सेल केलं. म्हणजेच 1990 ला सेल केलं. देन फाइंड द सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ मिल्क पर लिटर. 1990 डिवाइड बाय 45 means 42. Find the selling price of milk per liter 42 liter. Rupees 42 per liter. Option number 3rd answer. Next question 69. A wire measuring 15 meter and 50 centimeter was divided equal to in 10 parts. What is the length of each part? 15 meter means 1500 centimeter and 50 centimeter equal to 1555 centimeter. Addition. Then equally into 10 parts. Then how much length of each part? 155 centimeter. 155 centimeter. Next question 70. Akash purchased cycle rupees 3250 and sold for rupees 2375 after a year. Did he make profit or loss? Purchasing price 3250 and selling price 2375 means loss. Then option 2 and 1 प्रॉफिट चे, त्यामुळे हे कट झाले. लक्षात ठेवा ऑप्शन कट करता आले पाहिजेत. आता ऑप्शन 3rd लॉस अनलॉस आहे. 3250 मायनस 2375. 3250 minus 2375 equal to 875. Loss of rupees 875. 4 number option is correct. If divisor 10 point question 4250 remainder 75, then dividend equal to, formula must be dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor 105 plus into 4250 plus remainder 75. Then multiplication of these, we have answer get option number 2. Option number 2. 72 question. What will be the cost of cloth purchased at the rate of 52 per meter for 25 students, each requiring 1.5 meter? 1.5 meter require cloth. How many student? 25 student. And rate of 52 per meter. 52 per meter means 1.50, 25 and 52. This multiplication we get 78 multiplied by 25. 25 multiplied by 8 equal to 200 and remaining 20. 25 multiplied by 7 म्हणजे 175. 195 means 1950. Option number 1 is right answer. Then problem number 73 solve. 7 by 4 plus 3 by 4 into 4 by 3. Multiplication 3 cancel, 4 cancel. 7 by 4 plus 1 means 1. 7 1 जा 7, 4 1 जा 4, 4 1 जा 4. 11 by 4. Option number second is right. Next question 74. Kerala Express started 4:10 in the morning Nagpur and reached Tiruvananthapuram 14:15 minutes next day. How much time does it take travel from Nagpur to Trivandrum? 4:10 morning म्हणजे AM. Next day 4:10 AM. Next day. How many hours? 24 hours. Then 4:10 to 2:15. How many hour? 10 hour. 10 hour and 5 minutes means 34 hour 5 minutes. Option number first answer is right. Next question in Saraswati Vidyalaya 24 packets of milk having each 500 ml milk was bought, was heated. It was distributed equally among 60 students. Find out how much ml of milk was given each student. 24 packet आहे 500 ml चे means 12 liter milk distributed 60 student. 12 liter means 12,000 ml. 12,000 ml distributed 60 student. 0 cancel. 6 2 जा 200 means 200 ml milk was given each student. Option number third is right. तर अशा पद्धतीने आज आपण 2021 चा 5th स्टँडर्डचा फर्स्ट पेपर पाहिला इंग्लिश आणि मॅथमॅटिक्सचा. त्यानंतर आपण सेकंड पेपर बघूया, ते सुद्धा आपण आवर्जून पाहावा. हा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला नक्कीच आवडला असेल. आवडल्यास लाईक आणि शेअर करा आणि माझ्या चॅनलवर तुम्ही नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला सुद्धा सबस्क्राईब करा. धन्यवाद.